Few leaders in Africa have inspired as much respect and admiration and sometimes controversy as President Paul Kagame of Rwanda. From rebuilding a nation after unimaginable tragedy to transforming Rwanda into one of Africa's fastest growing countries. Kagame's story is one of resilience, vision, and determination. Today, we count down 30 fascinating things that make President Paul Kagame unique, and the number one reason we completely change how you see leadership in Africa. Rwanda, once scared by one of the darkest chapters in modern history, has emerged as a symbol of recovery, innovation, and progress. At the center of these transformations is President Paul Kagame, a man whose leadership style, vision, and determination have shaped the nation's path. Over the next 3 minutes or 10 minutes, we'll explore 13 unique things about President Paul Kagame, from his personal journey and leadership philosophy to his influence on Rwanda and beyond, into entire Africa. This is 30 fascinating things. This is the uniqueness of him. Number 30. Grew up in exile. Kagame was born in 1957 in Itambwe, Rwanda, but he spent much of his early life in Uganda as a refugee. Number 29. Experiencing the pain of genocide firsthand. His early life experiences shaped his resilience and commitment to justice. Number 28. Joining the Rwandan Patriotic Front, RPF, RD. As a young man, Kagame became actively involved in the fight for the return of Rwandans to their homeland, after spending more time in exile in Uganda. Number 27. Military training in Uganda. He received formal military training, which later helped him to strategize Rwanda's liberation efforts. Number 26. Co-led the liberation of Rwanda. Kagame played a critical role in ending the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi, leading a disciplined military campaign. Number 25. Architect of Rwanda's reconstruction. He oversaw the rebuilding of Rwanda's infrastructure, economy, and governance. Number 24. Advocated for national unity. Kagame emphasized reconciliation and unity over revenge after the genocide. That is where the power is. Nobody can imagine how somebody who killed a family a killer can stay with the victim, sharing food, sharing a place in the nation, without disharmony, without revenge. That is how this man is very powerful. Number 23, visionary development programs. He launched initiatives to modernize Rwanda, including Vision 2020 and Vision 2050. Number 22, strong anti-corruption policies. Kagame's government cracked down on corruption, making Rwanda one of Africa's cleanest countries. Number 21, encourage technology and innovation. Rwanda has become a hub for tech, startups, and innovation under his leadership. Number 20, promoted women in leadership. Rwanda has one of the highest percentages of women in parliament worldwide. Number 19, boosted education. He focused on universal education, literacy programs, and the technical skills. That is education for all. No matter where you came from, poor family or rich family, you have to get equal and equally education services. Number 18, improved healthcare systems. Kagame invested heavily in public health, including insurance programs and disease prevention. And health insurance in Rwanda, it is something that is comparable. Even you can travel and explore the whole world, but you cannot see a country that have health insurance as the way Rwanda is. Number 17, environmental initiatives. From reforestation to sustainable energy, Rwanda has become a model in Africa. Environment is a life in Kagame's mind. Number 16, encourage entrepreneurship. Small businesses and startups flourished under his policies. Number 15, strong diplomatic presence. Kagame plays a key role in African Union affairs and continental initiatives. Number 14, peacekeeping contributions. Rwanda became one of Africa's largest contributors to UN peacekeeping missions because he believed in peace, and peace must be everywhere, and peace is the key. Number 13, advocate for African self-reliance. He promotes economic independence and regional cooperation. Number 12, modernize Rwanda's global image. He positioned Rwanda as a safe, business-friendly, and progressive nation. Your business can be safe in Rwanda. Everything you own and every you hold can be very safe as long as you own the land of Rwanda, and no cost or price for that. Number 11, strategic global partnerships. Kagame forged alliances with the governments and international organizations to boost Rwanda's development. Number 10, strategic thinker. His decisions often combine long-term vision with the practical implementation. That is what he learned from his father. Number 9, disciplined work ethic, known for working long hours and maintaining tight control over governance. Number 8, emphasize on accountability. Kagame insists that readers and the citizens alike are responsible for progress. Number 7, visionary leadership style. Balances decisiveness with the pragmatism, able to act swiftly when needed. Decisiveness balances decisiveness with the pragmatism, able to act swiftly when needed. Number 6, resilience in adversity. Faced with opposition, skepticism, and historical trauma, yet remain focused on Rwanda's future. Number 5, focus on national identity. Promotes pride in Rwandan culture, history, and achievements. Number 4, inspirational figure. To many Rwandans and Africans, Kagame symbolizes hope, recovery, and determination. Number 3, global recognition. Received multiple awards and recognition for leadership in economic reform and peacekeeping. Number 2, balances tradition and modernity. Encourages technological progress while respecting Rwanda's rich cultural heritage. Number 1, the man who redefined Rwanda. What makes Paul Kagame truly remarkable is not just his policies, military strategy, or economic achievement. It is transformational impact he has had on entire nation. From the ashes of genocide, he helped Rwanda rise to become a beacon of stability, innovation, and progress in Africa. His vision, resilience, and determination continue to inspire generations, making him one of the continent's most fascinating readers. These are just 3 of incredible things that make Paul Kagame unique. Which achievement impressed you the most? If you enjoyed this journey into one of the Africa's most remarkable readers, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us as we continue exploring the story of Africa's most inspiring